Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So you may have remembered a little while ago, maybe a couple months ago, I had purchased at AliExpress silicone practice hand, a really affordable one versus say the Red Iguana practice hand for you to purchase. Well, the same store I purchased it from decided to send me their updated version, and oh my goodness, you guys are gonna love it, and it's still very inexpensive, which is great. So I've got it in front of me in this box, and I'll show you what they sent me to share with you. And I'm gonna compare this one to the old version and also to the Red Iguana practice hand. And again, very affordable. That is the nicest thing about this, is it is very affordable, unlike the Red Iguana ones that run over $200. And this one runs for $53.87 Canadian, and of course in US dollars. When you look it up on AliExpress, it may be a little bit cheaper in US dollars. So I will put the link to the new updated version of the hand down in the description so you can easily find it. So I'll get started right away and pull it out and show you how nice it is. So it does come in a box, obviously, like this. And then they have it in a type of bag. And here it is. Oh wow. It is so much higher quality than the last one I purchased. It is so much stronger. And if you can see, look at the cuticles. They're like the Red Iguana one. They're nice and sturdy. Wow. And there you can see up close compared to mine. Look at that. Look at the detail on it. And this one, so you know, if you want to get the same color, is color number 3. Oh my goodness, I'm so impressed already. And it isn't the full hand, but when you clip it, it's perfect. I find I don't need the full extended part of the hand because this is actually better for clipping it up for videos. Wow, I'm just so amazed and so happy. Now I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to put it down here for a minute. So you can purchase these extremely long, I'd say extra long tips for it from their store. It's in the same link as the hand, and there's 60 in here. I will just bring them out so you can see better. And we're going to try one in the hand itself. And there is different sizes. This is the number 1. And of course that's going to fit the thumb. So we'll just stick it in and see how far the wells go back. I will mark it here for you so you can see how deep they are. So they do have a deep cuticle well. There you can see how far back that went. Okay, so I have 5, and I think that should fit these ones. You can easily file with these cuticles, like they're very, very strong. That's really nice. And same thing, it goes back. I can mark it again. Again, same thing. They go back nicely farther in, so that's good. And of course, I should let you know too, these are posable. And they're very sturdy, like I said, so they're bending really nice. You always want to be careful with them regardless, but they have nice bend to them. And these, again, you can wash with soap and water. So They come clean nicely, and I found the last one didn't get so much lint on it like the red iguana one, but we'll see with this one as I use it. So now I'm just gonna show you and compare it to the previous one before they came out with a new version. So this is the old version I purchased from them, and you can see big time the difference just in the quality. Different colors, of course, but I'll bring it up close and I'm hoping you can see it in the camera. Look at the difference in the cuticles. So this is the same finger, and you can just tell it's more flimsy on this one. I didn't mind this hand, but you did have to be careful, like I said in the previous video, that you did have to be very, very careful filing, where this is really, really strong now. So they've really improved it. Even the feeling of the skin is so much more sturdy, I'd say, where this is definitely more rubbery. So that's really nice. I'll show you the undersides of them. So yeah, this one's definitely amazing quality. Now I'm gonna grab the red iguana one and show you that. So of course there's the red iguana one, and there's this one, and so very comparable in texture. And of course for the 200 and some dollars you purchase it for, I had a break, so that wasn't so good. I showed you that in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, it's in the top right hand corner, reviewing the last hand, and if you want to watch that one too. Anyways, they are very, very comparable in texture, in strength, like just a really good practice hand. Hopefully you can see the cuticles are very, very similar. Of course I have the nails glued on, so I can't take them off. I don't glue them on anymore, and I can do a video on how I would hold the nail tips in this one. If you want to see that, let me know. But normally I don't glue them on anymore because it's harder to get them off, obviously. But you can see the cuticles are very similar, just very, very, very good quality. So impressed. Such a good price for this hand, and there is a bunch of different colors, which is nice too. So I do want to thank the store for sending me this one to share with you. I finally found the perfect affordable practice hand. You guys won't be disappointed. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to practice with it and do some nail art with it as well. So beautiful, such a nice hand. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that, and I will see you all in the next one.